Can an LLC go public? No. An LLC cannot go public in its current form because LLCs do not issue stock. Publicly traded companies must be corporations, typically C corporations, since they can sell shares of stock to investors on stock exchanges. If an LLC wants to go public, it would need to convert into a C corporation first. This process may involve filing conversion paperwork with the state or forming a new corporation and merging the LLC into it. After conversion, the company can issue shares and pursue an initial public offering (IPO). For most small businesses, staying as an LLC makes more sense because it is simpler and more flexible. Going public is usually a step reserved for larger businesses seeking significant outside investment and expansion. Zen Business can help you form an LLC now and guide you if you decide to convert to a corporation later. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.